Debbie had a beautiful round lavender sapphire, and she designed a one-of-a-kind ring for it. It'll be like 2 walls of white gold with 3 stones between them. We make the ring in wax and use the lost wax casting process. This means that when we're finished carving the wax, we'll surround it with plaster of Paris. After the plaster hardens, we'll put it in an oven to burn out the wax. This leaves an empty cavity into which we'll pour molten gold, producing a replica of what we originally made. You'll see us pour the gold in just a few seconds. The tools we use are specially made for wax, so they don't get all gunked up. Pouring the gold is a little dangerous. We hold a saw in one hand to prevent the gold from overshooting the plaster. Then we grab the crucible, which is about 1700 degrees, and pour the gold into the opening. This is what raw 14-karat white gold looks like. Hours of filing, sanding, and polishing will make it look like a real piece of jewelry. Here, we're going to use a beam of intense heat to weld the setting in place. That was it. Now, we'll use a torch and some solder to finish the job. The ring catches fire because we coated it with boric acid and alcohol, so it doesn't turn pink from the heat. Here we're polishing all the parts we can't get to after the stones are set. Not every jeweler will do that for you. Now it's time to set the stones. This is where it all comes together and starts looking like a piece of jewelry. This tool stamps the ring. First, 14K, then with our logo. Well, I thought I was finished. But when Debbie saw the ring, she made a great point. The ring looked like washers from the side. Her solution was to cut openings so the sapphires could be seen from each side. Brilliant. Now we just got to put a design between the openings to beautify it. We'll set the sapphires one more time. The final step for white gold is to plate it with rhodium. Why do we plate it? Well, white gold starts out as 24 karat yellow gold, so it's still a little yellowish. Rhodium gives it a true white color. Beautiful. And now, my favorite part. After all that hard work, drum roll please. Another happy customer at Golden Art Jewelers.